undergoes some changes at puberty, and those changes repeat at the interval of every 28 to 30 days. These repetitive changes are called as menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle is a natural process controlled by 4 hormones. Those 4 hormones are follicle stimulating hormones, FSH, luteinizing hormone, LH, estrogen, and progesterone. One of the several follicles in the ovary starts to develop along with the oocyte present in it, under the effect of follicle stimulating hormone. This developing follicle secretes estrogen. Endometrium of the uterus starts to develop during first cycle or regenerate during subsequent cycles under the effect of estrogen. Meanwhile, developing follicle completes its development. It bursts under the effect of luteinizing hormone and oocyte is released. This is called as ovulation. Remaining tissue of the burst follicle forms the corpus luteum. Corpus luteum starts to secrete progesterone. Endometrial glands secrete their secretion under the effect of progesterone. Such endometrium is ready for implantation of embryo. If oocyte is not fertilized within 24 hours, corpus luteum becomes inactive and transforms into corpus albicans. Due to this, secretion of estrogen and progesterone stops completely. Endometrium starts to degenerate in absence of these 2 hormones. Tissues of degenerating endometrium and unfertilized ovum are discarded out through vagina. This is accompanied with continuous bleeding. Bleeding continues approximately for 5 days. This is called as menstruation. Unless the oocyte is fertilized and embryo is implanted, this process is repeated every month. If the embryo is implanted, repetition of this cycle is temporarily stopped till the parturition and thereafter period of breastfeeding. Menstrual cycle is a natural process and the women experience severe pains during this period. Severe weakness is felt due to heavy bleeding. There is higher possibility of infections too during this overall period. Due to all such reasons, there is need of rest along with special personal hygiene. Modern technology. Many couples cannot have children due to various reasons. In case of women, irregularity in menstrual cycle, difficulties in oocyte production, obstacles in the oviduct, difficulties in implantation in uterus, and many other reasons are responsible for this. Absence of sperms in the semen, slow movement of sperms, anomalies in the sperms are the reasons in case of males. But now, with the help of advanced medical techniques like IVF, surrogacy, sperm bank, the childless couples can have a child. In vitro fertilization, IVF.